and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we will talk about the Mysterious Studio System program, also known as MS 1.1 system. Let's open it. This is its programming environment. First thing you need to do is to plug the programmable controller in a USB portal on your computer. If you don't know how to do it, check my hardware video where I cover everything about the controllers. Now we need to search the port our controller was plugged into. The comms are on the top left corner. Under them we have all the type of puzzles the players can solve. On the top middle we have the initial state of our relays. Will they have an output when the device starts or not? We have two relays because we only have two outputs. Under the relays we have the program lines. Here will appear the functions we add for our controller. On the top right area we have all the available functions. We can add sounds, change our relay states, add delays, and many more. Lastly, on the bottom right corner we see 4 more buttons. These are used to upload, download, save, and open our future programs. You can buy from our site both clear and programmed controllers. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here. You can also find many automations and mechanisms on our site or place your custom order. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.